In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a Google Meet video call on your laptop. Whether you want to save a meeting for later, share it with teammates, or keep a record of an important discussion, recording directly inside Google Meet is often the simplest option. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, explain what's happening at each step, and point out a couple of things you should keep in mind, especially about who can use this feature. First, make sure you've already joined your Google Meet from your laptop. You need to actually be in a meeting before the recording option becomes available. Once you're inside the meeting, take a moment to look around the interface so you're familiar with where things are. This will make it easier to find the tools you need without feeling rushed or distracted while people are talking. Now, while you're in the meeting, move your mouse so the meeting controls appear if they're hidden. You're looking for an option labeled Meeting Tools. Depending on your version or layout, this might appear as a button or within a menu icon near the bottom or top of the screen. Go ahead and click Meeting Tools. This is the central place where Google Meet groups several advanced options, including recording. After you open Meeting Tools, a list of additional features will appear from this list. You want to select the option called Record Meeting. Click Record Meeting, and don't worry, the recording won't usually start instantly without any indication. Google Meet typically shows a confirmation message or prompt letting you know that recording is about to begin and reminding you that participants may be notified. Once you've selected Record Meeting and confirmed, you're ready for the final step. Click Start Recording. At this point, Google Meet begins capturing the audio and video from the meeting. You may see a small indicator or message on the screen that confirms the recording has started. Participants might also see a notification that the meeting is being recorded, depending on your settings and account type. It's a good practice to let everyone know verbally that you're recording, especially for transparency and, in some cases, legal reasons. From here, you can run your meeting as usual. Try to avoid unnecessary background noise and make sure your microphone and camera are working properly before or shortly after you start the recording. If you switch presenters, share your screen, or show slides, the recording will typically capture those changes as well, so you don't need to stop and restart. One important thing to note is that recording in Google Meet is a premium feature. That means it may not be available on all accounts. If you don't see Meeting Tools or the Record Meeting option, your account might not include recording, or your organization's admin may have disabled it. In that case, you may need to talk to your admin or consider alternative screen recording tools outside of Google Meet. To wrap up, the process is straightforward. Join your meeting, open Meeting Tools, choose Record Meeting, and then click Start Recording. Once you're comfortable with these steps, you'll be able to quickly record any important session right from your laptop without missing a moment.